Calculate the force P required to cause the block of weight W1 equal to 20 Newton just to slide under the block of weight W2 equal to 100 Newton. Find the tension in the string AB given that mu equals to 0.25 for all surfaces in contact. So we have to find out the force P as well as tension in the block, tension in this string AB. Let's take this block W2. W2 acts downwards and normal force N2 on it acts upwards. Then we have a tension T. This is T cos 45 and this is T sin 45. And if we are applying P force in the left direction, the friction on W1 acts in the right direction and I'll call it 2, and on 2 it will act on the left direction. So here we can write like this, F2, and then we can find out my T by simply equating the two, because it is in horizontal direction also, and it is in equilibrium, because the question says just required to move, just slide, means there is no acceleration. So I can write F2 equals to T by root 2, because cos 45 is 1 by root 2. And how to write this? Mu times N2 equals to T by root 45. Now we have to find out N2, so we can also balance the equations in the vertical direction, that we can write N2 plus T by root 2 equals to W2. So N2 is equals to W2 is 100 minus T by root 2, that can be written here. So 0.25 I will write it as 1 by 4 for easy calculation. N2 is 100 minus T upon root 2 is equals to T upon root 2. So we have here 25 minus T by 4 root 2 is equals to T by root 2, and 25 is equals to T by root 2 common, we get 1 plus 1 by 4, and 25 is equals to 5 by 4, so 5 by 4 root 2 times T. Okay. So we have 5 5s are 20 root 2, that is the tension in the string AB. The first thing we have solved. Now we have to find out, I just take the calculation. 4 25s are T by root 2, we can take common, 1 plus 1 by 4, 4 plus 1 5 by 4, 20, 5 5s are, okay, it's correct. Now let's solve for the force P required to move this W1 block. We can write it as, for this block I am making the free body diagram P. The above friction is F1, the below friction is F2. And for finding P we can write F1 plus F2. This will be the answer to the question, but I have to keep the values also. Let's take the page where P is equals to F1 plus F2. Now P is equals to, what is F1? F1 is F1, here you can see F1 is 0.25 times, here is F1, W1 plus W2, that is 120 plus F2. F2 we found out, mu N2 and T have already found out, that is 20 root 2. So N2 can be calculated from here, 0.25 times N2, where N2 is, you can see 100 minus T by root 2, 20 root 2 by root 2, that is 80. So we have P equals to 0.25, we can take common, 120 plus N2 is 80, that is 0.25 into 200, we get 50 Newton. That is the answer to the question.